Attens Adjustable are an all-in-one product designed to manage heavy urinary and/or fecal incontinence. They are available in sizes medium and large in our highest absorbency level. The white backsheet is soft for improved comfort and discretion. It is made from a breathable material to help keep your skin healthy and also reduces the risk of leakage from the product. Soft elastic wings means the product can be adapted to give a personal fit on the body, so the pad is more comfortable and discreet to wear. The pads are easy to use. Attens Adjustable can be fitted in a number of ways due to its elasticated wings and resealable fixation tapes, which can be placed anywhere on the front of the pad, and then they can be opened, closed, and readjusted as required. When lying down, you need to feel safe and protected. That is why Attens Adjustable has soft leakage barriers that give you extra protection, especially when there is a large gush. The core technology in Attens gives you absorption where you need it most, in the centre of the pad. The first layer quickly lets the fluid pass into a top and bottom core, where fluid and odours are absorbed and locked away, so reducing the risk of leakage and keeping your skin dry. Attens Adjustable has a wetness indicator running along the centre of the pad. When it has disappeared over half the length of the pad, we recommend that you change the product. After use, simply dispose of the pad.